Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to set auto reply on Facebook. So guys, here I'm going to show you the very easy process to set auto reply in Facebook. So let's get started. So guys, to set auto reply on Facebook, we have to simply open Google Chrome. Now type in search bar Facebook. Simply click on first link. So guys, here you can see our Facebook homepage. So to set auto reply, simply open new tab. Now type in search bar Facebook Meta Business. Scroll down and simply click on this link. So guys, this is the main page that we need to set auto reply. So from here you can set auto reply. So to set auto reply, simply click on inbox. So after that you can see this option. So simply click on it. Now it is set as available. So click on automation. Scroll down and here you can see this option. So simply click on edit. So guys, first here you can see written where would you like to use this automation. So select here Facebook Messenger. So from here you can select the time. So I already have selected. Scroll down and here you can see written message. So from message you can edit your message, means that what you want to send in reply. So simply edit the message. So this is the message that is sent as reply. Means that if someone send you a message, so in reply this message will be automatically sent to that person who send you a message. So after that you can see the option of preview in Messenger. So click on it. So you can see a preview of your message has been sent. You can see it in Messenger. So after that simply click on save change. So guys, from here you can set auto reply on Facebook. So guys, here you can see we have set auto reply on Facebook. So you can also set auto reply on Facebook by following this process that I have shown you step by step. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.